Hey gut feelers, so here we are with the 3 tips to improve your gut health without changing your diet. Are you ready for this, guys? Let's go! If you're new to this channel, my name is Peggy from peggyschirmer.com. Welcome to Gut Feelings. This channel is here to help you to become your own health expert so you can go out there, manifest your dreams in the world without being more dependent on medication, supplements, doctors, YouTube channels, but you actually learn to understand what happens inside your body and how to communicate with your body better. Does that sound good? Let's go. Now, tip number one, how to improve your gut health without changing your diet is so simple, it almost hurts, but it works. And that is, before you eat your food, before you eat a meal, connect with your senses with this food. So, smell it, look at it, appreciate it. Appreciation is a big one, also gives you a pause. What I like to do if I'm in a restaurant, for example, and I don't have time to look at the food like 10 minutes before it comes, but at least I take a moment to look at it, and then if I'm with somebody, I appreciate the food. Like, we just talk to each other, we don't touch it or we don't eat it yet, but we look at the food. I just have bananas here right now, those little apple bananas, the name. So I just look at it and I appreciate them. Oh my God, they're so ripe and they're ready for me to eat. And just back and forth for 2 minutes. What it will do is it will prepare your body for what's coming. Prepares your stomach, what you see, what you smell. Maybe you have a tiny bit of a taste. Sends a signal to your digestive process, to your digestive organs. Okay, this is coming. A lot of greasy food, hopefully not. A lot of fresh food, lots of chewing, lots of raw food. All makes a difference, even just those 1-2 minutes for appreciation and connecting with your senses. So tip number 2, that's a big one, guys. Any upset stomach, gastritis, bloating, pain, malabsorption, you want to make sure you do this. Never eat when you're stressed. When you're in this mode of like, need to get that done, running from one place to the next, being agitated because your boss just had put more files on your desk, that's not a good time for having a lunch break. What would be better to do is have something liquid. So it can be a smoothie or it can be just coconut water. Coconut water, lemon water, fresh pressed orange juice, anything that doesn't put any strain on the digestive system and comes with its own enzymes, which all fresh fruits and vegetables raw do have. Because in this fight and flight mode, a lot of adrenaline is in your body, and actually your parasympathicus is not active, but your sympathicus. For your digestive process, in order to work properly, your parasympathicus needs to be active. So instead, drink something, calm down. We're not talking about Coca-Cola or anything like that, guys. Healthy sugars. You're actually going to fuel your nervous system, you fuel your liver with the healthy glucose, and you can go a little bit longer until your next break when you really have time to calm down. Last but not least, tip number 3. This one, I have to admit, is a tiny bit diet related, but it still doesn't change your main meals. Before you eat your main meals, what I would recommend for you to do is as simple as that. Take those 2 things. You have a little bit of water. Now, I already pressed here some lemon juice. You have a little bit of water in here and half of a lemon. This is a lemon, a Panamanian lemon. Can be a lime, doesn't matter. And all you do is you press. See this? Press it in here. And that's what I call a lemon water shot. 15 minutes before your meals. Watch me. The face is for free. It's pretty intense. You can put a little bit more water if that's too hard for you. But that's all what you need to do to stimulate your liver, produce more bile. Also helps to improve your hydrochloric acid. Yeah, this lemon water is very alkaline for the body, beautiful skin included, and perfectly prepares your stomach for what's coming for the meal. Short, sweet summary of this video, what you can do, 3 simple tips that are not diet related to improve your digestion, improve your gut health. Number 1, connect with your food, connect with your senses, smell it, taste it, touch the food before you eat it. Don't eat when you're stressed. Drink liquids that are high in enzymes, but also with healthy glucose, your liver and your nervous system. And number 3, do lemon shots. Here's it. Do lemon shots before each meal, 15 minutes before, to stimulate your digestive enzymes and prepare your body for what's coming. Now I want to know from you, question of the day, please comment below. What worked for you? Maybe one of those tips, or maybe you have an additional tip that is not diet related that helped you to improve your digestion. Let me know in the comments below.